Here's a great deal on a 2017 Nissan Rogue. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the efficient 4-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. It includes heated seats, one-touch window functionality, an outside temperature display, remote keyless entry, rear wipers, and a split folding rear seat. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 4 well-positioned speakers. Nissan also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. When road conditions become unpredictable, rely on all-wheel drive to maintain outstanding control. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. We are here to help you